everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a little bit of Merry Mail as well as a collective haul. And so I am going to start out with the Merry Mail. Crafty Bean, or Tina, sent me some Merry Mail. I was not expecting it. I was actually thinking that it was part of some winnings that I had won from another channel, but it was from Tina. So thank you so much, Tina. I really appreciate it. When I opened the package and I seen this little girl, I was so surprised. I'm like, I don't think I won that, but anyways, it was from Tina, so I was very happy. Let me show you the card that she sent. It is super cute. Look at there. Super cute. Look at those mints. I think she may have added stickles or either like diamond dust or something to that. It is so cute. And then she stickled up this Merry Christmas down here. And then I love that paper in the background. And then she was just wishing me a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And then she says, I hope you have a very special Christmas, and I want to wish you many blessings, Crafty Bean, Tina. So I am so thankful and grateful, Tina, that you thought about me. I wanted to get out some Christmas cards this year because I made so many of them, but some things happened at home, so I'm sorry for you all that I wanted to send out Christmas cards to. So I will have them for next year, but you know, life happens, and yeah, I haven't even been in the mood of really making any crafty projects, but it is what it is. But let's jump right in and show you this. I thought about buying this. I think they had it on sale at LDRS, and look, lo and behold, Tina sent it to me. This is my first little polka doodle girl, and so I am just so happy. Thank you so much, Tina. And then she also sent me, and I can tell through this package, I didn't open the package, but she also sent me this little bracelet here. And if you give me 1 second, I'll be right back to show you how that looks. And here it goes. And I do have to say, it is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Tina, I have been thinking about doing bracelets and things, but I'm just like, not another crafty project for me. I have too much as it is, and I just want to show you this a little bit more close. Oh my goodness. And I do believe this one might fit. I'll try it on later because I have a big wrist, but oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. It looks like I could have just went straight to the store and purchased this. Oh my goodness. Love it, Tina. Hey, I'm just popping in here real quick. I know I'm going to show you a haul in just a sec, but I did want to share this card I got from Faye, who is Relax and Scrap, and she sent this adorable little card. It is just too cute to be. Look at that. It says, wee! Too cute. And there goes the inside. Christmas wishes of peace and happiness this holiday season. It is adorable. So that's Faye with Relax and Scrap, and I'll have her link down below. So if you do not follow her, make sure you go over and follow her as well. And I'll also have Cuddle Me Clay Tay down below, as well as Tina from Crafty Bean. All right, and now on to the haul. All right, let's jump into the haul. Okay, next up is this Creative Expression die. I seen Simply Shantae haul this, and I was so excited when I seen that. I was just like, oh, I must get this die set, and here it is. And I actually ordered it from Amazon, but it came from this place right here, so you will be able to go to ecstasycrafts.com, and they had a ton of dies. So if you're looking for dies and things, yeah, this place probably has it. And so, and then next up, I went to Tuesday morning. When I tell you, my Tuesday morning had a ton of Basil cardstock. They had a ton. But a couple weeks ago, I picked up this. I needed another tweezer, And I know just to buy it at a tweezer, a single tweezer at the store is about $8. So I said, why not buy this? And it had an extra couple items in there. So I did need another pair of the bee scissors, but this may not be called bee scissors anymore. But anyways, looks just like the bee scissors. So I got this, and then I didn't necessarily need another pokey tool, but I got that too. So yes, very decent price for that. When I say Tuesday morning is expensive now, oh my gosh, it is helping me out. However, it didn't help me out with the paper because my downfall is paper. But I seen this die. I love background die, so I went ahead and picked this up. It was $10. You know, not necessarily a decent price, but nevertheless a decent price, if you understand what I'm saying. And then this is probably one of my favorite packs of paper. When I say I love this paper stack, I probably bought it at least 3 or 4 times. And so, yeah, so and since that was there, I just went ahead and picked that up. Yeah, so you see that there, and the price was $3.99. Not too bad. Then next up, I picked up papers, and more papers than what I need. So we have Barrelicious there. This is Basil cardstock, like I said. This one's Breaker Bay, and it's retired. I assume that. I take that's retired. A nice little color blue, so went ahead and got that. Sorry about that light. Let me see if I can turn it a little bit. And then I got Citron here. Nice color. And it looks more green, but it actually has a little bit more yellow than green in it. And then these papers here, when I tell you these are so thick, I love this type of basil paper here because it's so thick. It seems like it's thicker than 110 pound, but I love it. So this one's cotton candy. I don't know why I'm getting into the pink thing, but I am. This one's gumball. And then this one is, actually, I don't think this one has a name. But anyways, this is brown. So I got that. And then I have one other thing to show you, and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. I got this from Tuesday morning as well. I needed a box to store all of my flowers from Cuddle Me Clay Tay. And when I say I have a few flowers from her, but I wanted to also support her business, and so I ended up getting the tropical mix, got 2 of those, and I actually already used some of those. So if you've seen my video, I want to say it was Queen of Craft video, the last card, that shaker card, those were her flowers there. And then I also picked up Blue Sky, and I got 2 packs of those. And she had this package so beautifully, but I went ahead and put everything in here. And then she also sent a free gift with that. And as you see, I have other items in there like the bows there. But I love, love, love her flowers. And so I finally got something actually dedicated to all of her items. Not even all of her items that she sent me, but dedicated mostly to her flowers. So, and that is it. That's all of my haul. Hopefully I'll be better this year at trying to haul items. And I have been doing pretty good because my little bank account is starting to get bigger since I haven't been spending as much. And of course, it got a little help from Christmas too. So I am just really, really happy to have all of these items and what I've purchased. And like I said, paper's my downfall. Hopefully I can get a handle on that this year, and I get a handle on the dies that I have too. But that is all I have for you. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you all have an amazing and healthy year. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.